Now y'all know y'all should have been pulled my coattail to this wig right here. We either gonna look like Roxanne or Ruth Ann. Am I late to the party? When did this line drop? I'm late. What's going on, guys? So I did a little bit of driving again today and ended up in Kannapolis again today because I went to the hair store. Hair Depot. This was my first time. I've never been there, but when I got in there, I said, oh yeah, I needed to be over here. I should have been over here. I got some B-roll, of course. I'm gonna tell you what I found, y'all. This is so beautiful. Look at this packaging. Look at this packet sauce. This packet sauce. Look at this packet sauce. This packet sauce. It got some packet sauce. Some packet sauce. Packet sauce. This is so cute. Sensational. Look at this picture right here. This picture is cute too. Look at this. That's cute. Look at that one right there. Baby, if that don't look like some way I would wear my wig pinned off to the side with pride, don't it? Aura of elegance, style of glam. HD lace glueless, classy unit #1 in the color one. But this is their Glamora line. Come on now. Hold a minute right there. This is cute and it comes in so many different colors. This is 360 lace. Oh, freestyle, wear as is or wear it down. Oh, it comes in the bun. I was thinking to myself, how am I gonna get it pinned up in this bun? It's already bun, but you can wear it down. Y'all was looking for a wig that was a little fancy? I got you. Graduation to go to, a wedding, baby shower, second service, winter conference, club such and such. This is a glamorous wig. Oh my goodness. Y'all knew it was out there and ain't said, hey, cat dog or nothing to me, but that's, you know, daggone well y'all should have told me. So it comes out the box like, it comes out the box like this with a little back bun like that. Honey, we either gonna look like Roxanne or Ruth Ann. The wig is synthetic, all the things you have come to know and love about sensational wigs, but this is already styled little bun and I don't want to turn it loose. How secure? Oh, that's secure. That little bun is secure. Y'all, is this gonna work? Let me see.